Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I am super excited. I received my order that is the Let's Get Crafty edition of Simple Stories. So Simple Stories is a scrapbooking company, and they recently added the wonderful Kelly Bangs to their list of designers, and they have released her first collection through Simple Stories, which is, I think it's called Let's Get Crafty. It is perfect. It is like exactly everything that you'd want in a scrapbooking collection, and I cannot wait to show you. So if you want to check out what is in this order, then stay tuned. Okay, I think I pre-ordered this in like February, maybe. Ooh, look at this fun. Well, that's cool. I wonder what I could do with that. Okay, I'm gonna save this little packing paper because that's super cute. Here's my little packing slip. You guys, I don't even remember everything I ordered. I did not order all the parts of the kit, but I'm sure that I'm gonna fall in love with all the parts of the kit, and then I'll have to be making a second order. Okay, let me pull it out and then we'll go through what's in here. All right, let's start with the paper because I think that that like sets the tone for the whole kit. You can see I ordered an extra sticker sheet. So here is the paper collection. Again, this is called Let's Get Crafty, designed by Kelly Bangs through Simple Stories. And it is so good. Look, those are some Kelly Bangs florals. I love it. Look at all of the cards. Oh, so pretty. Spotty dots. Excuse my mess. That's so cute. This one is called So Adorable. And the back is called So Adorable, front and back. Crafty Girl with all the hexies. Love that. Crafty with a chance to glitter. Sorry, there's the back. Oh, the ledger paper. Florals. Look at those oranges. Orange and pink. Let's make something. Beautiful plaid on the back. I cannot wait to use this collection. Look at the measuring board, you guys. Be creative. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh. With the dates in the back, with the florals. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's get crafty. Call me crafty. Gorgeous. The tags. You know I'm all about the tags. So pretty. Oh, they're double-sided. Oh, friends. Can't wait to cut that apart. Journal elements. That is beautiful. See, I should have gotten two things of paper because I like the front and the back. 3x4 elements. Well, I'll be placing another order. I want both sides of the paper. 2x2 and 4x4 elements. I'm just here for the snacks and crafts. That is my life. Look at the like remake of the Distress inks. They call me crafty. It's true. They do. I'm here for that orange. That is pretty. And this one's called 4x6 elements. Oh, I want to craft with somebody. I want to make cute things. Oh, I want to craft with somebody. Bingo. Look at the little desk setup. Oh my goodness. I am loving that. And then the stickers. Here for the stickers. Happy, all the crafty things. Here's your little ink pads. I love Washi. The desk setup with the typewriter. Look at the little, oh, I love it. Scrappy and happy. Oh my goodness. I need this sticker like a million times over. Scrappy and happy. That's my life. That is so pretty. Okay, so that's all the paper from the collection. I will be promptly ordering another set. You can see that I already did order an extra sticker sheet because I knew I was going to need that. So that's awesome. Love that. Let's see what else. What else did I get? Here's the 6x8 paper pad. Let me open up this one and let's see. I'm sure that these are double-sided. Okay. Dream and live, create. Dream, live, create. Very pretty. Spotty dots, ledger. Okay, so now I'm going to get a chance to use Crafted Simple Stories. Oh, look at the magazine. You can make a little magazine layout. So cute. I like the 6x8. Definitely a fan. So smaller scale, some of the ones we saw, but also some new ones. Crafty and happy. So pretty. Kelly Bangs florals are some of my favorite. Love this one. Yes, please. That is beautiful. And the ledger paper. Guys, I feel like this is a must-have set. One happy stamper. Crafter is going to craft. You color my life. I love it. And then it's a repeat. So then we get 2 of each sheet in this one. And that's awesome because then you don't have to worry about which side you use. I love it. I'm just making sure. Okay, 2 of each sheet. I feel like those are, no, that's it. Okay. So pretty. I'm obsessed. Love, love the papers. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, this is the sticker book. Let me open up the sticker book. This one I was super pumped about too. You know how I feel about stickers. I use them in all the things. I feel like these will help me do a planner spread, but also, okay, these are on paper. You have your little ink pads, the scissors, the typewriters, and look at all of the little faux handmade modern. Yes, I love those. And you got some alpha stickers. So pretty. Here's the circle stickers. Here's some embroidery hoops, paint brushes, ampersands, and clipboards, and little tools. Oh, look at the little punches. That is cute. Word fetty. I want all the craft supplies. That is crafting before adulting. Yes, please. Stickers for days. This is like my life in a sticker book. That is so beautiful. Oh, that is, oh, I love it. Labels and tabs. Are these on, let me see. Yeah, these are like tile alphas. Those are cute. Have a little sewing machine, the highlighters. Look at your little mild liners right there. And the tape guns. Oh my gosh. And look at the Tombow little tape runners. You guys. And the caboodles. All about that. Florals. Yes, please. More of the florals. All of the florals. I'm creative. Made with love. Love this right here. Let's make something. Oh my gosh. Little tag sets. Oh, this one's good. Okay. All right. I see you, Kelly Bangs. This is gorgeous. I can imagine 1,000,001 ways to use these. Like, it's going to be hard for me to not hoard the stickers. Okay, I also ordered this set. This is the puffy stickers. So a lot of the same images we've seen. Just a little puff, just a little extra there because, you know, I'm a little extra sometimes. So look at the Cricut machine. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's okay. That's adorable. And then several different, okay, let's get, this one's page pieces. This one is called page pieces. I think this is some bigger. There's only 19 in here, so I think that these tend to be a little bit bigger. These are a little bit thinner paper than I would normally expect. So that one says Crafty. We have our album here. Create. So they're not bigger. They're not all bigger. Just little different sets of pieces. Pretty. We have the little camera, the tape gun, acrylic paint. That's a nice set. Okay, so this one is the page pieces set. Let's move those off to the side because then we have journal bits. Let me open up the journal bits. These look like more like pieces that you would write on, journaling pieces, plus a few extra thrown in there. See, this is a little bit thicker. Maybe, no, it's the same. Faves, got the typewriter, little flags here. Cute tags, some little pieces to add in. Cute. So the one good thing about these being a little bit thinner is it's not going to add like a lot of bulk if you are using them in your journaling. Oh my goodness. When in doubt, just said washi. That is true. Good words to live by. Clipboard. That is cute. Look at those. So much of this. Yes. Love, love, love. Yes, please. That's what I say all the time. It's crafty time. Totally red. Okay, so these are all the little journaling bits. I make cute things. So a little bit more like tabs and tags and things that you can write on. So that is the journaling bit set. Then there is an ephemera set. So let's check that out. This one's going to have more like icons and images. I'm going to open up. Oh, that one was a package in a package. Just extra challenge for me to get to it. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. I craft past my bedtime. Live, love, create. Oh, look at all these cute little pieces. I'm loving this. Oh, the black and white. I love the little oxide ink pads. You have your little cart, craft cart, your palette. Look at all the little wash. These are adorable. All of the craft supplies, all of them are here, you guys. I can totally make that. Things we say. Life's a Stitch. Pretty. Look at those two. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Okay, there's so many in the ephemera. I'm pretty happy about that. Happy and crafty. Cute, cute. Sewing machine. So cute. Such a crafty girl. Ah, look at it. You guys, it is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I'm obsessed. Okay, that's the ephemera. The last thing I got is the Let's Get Crafty washi tape, because of course I wasn't going to pass that up. So we have washi tape. It looks like there's 5. This one is florals. And again, I love me some Kelly Bangs florals. So that is beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous florals. And I'm like a gray taupey background. Love that. All right, I'm going to do that. And then this is that black and white diamond shape. I liked that pattern a lot. This is going to be really versatile. Yes, that's beautiful. Black and white diamond shape like that one. Then I think there's a rainbow stripe. Yes, obviously I'm going to be all about the rainbow stripe. Love that. Yes, so pretty. I like that. Then we have the blue kind of ledger look. All about that one. It looks like ledger paper, you guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera. It looks like ledger paper. I'm loving that. Guys, I feel like this is such, for all of us crafty girls that love all things paper and crafty, this is it. And then this is the one that I had to have. It's all your crafty supplies, you guys. All the things. All the different crafty supplies. Adorable. That's where it repeats. Somewhere around right here. Look at all of the things. That is so cute. You guys, this is such a cute set. I already know that I need to order more paper. Like, I'll be getting on and ordering paper because I gotta have it. I gotta have more paper so that I can like craft freely, because I'm going to use all this paper. Love it. I think my favorite parts are the paper. I think this sticker book is totally my jam. I kind of wish I had another one of these as well. All of the fun paper pieces. There's like a million of them. All the different kinds. Again, this is designed by the amazing Kelly Bangs. Of course, I'm on her Illustrated Faith design team, or her creative team for Illustrated Faith. But I have loved Kelly Bangs and her designs forever. She is just amazing and talented and just as sweet as can be as well. So if you're interested in picking up any of this gorgeous set, I will have links down below. They are affiliate links. It doesn't cost you any more, but it does really help this channel. These are currently on sale over at scrapbook.com. So I will link that down below so you can be sure to check those out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for all of your support. And I hope all of you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.